Look to this day, for it is life, the very life of life. Yesterday is already a dream, and tomorrow is only a vision. But today, well lived, makes every yesterday a dream of happiness, and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Look well, therefore, to this day. This poem was written in the 4th century by the ancient Sanskrit poet Kalidas. And he's talking about the power of now, the power of appreciating every moment of our life. Our modern lives can be so stressful, can be so chaotic. And I always find that coming into nature, coming into contact with the beauty of nature always gives me a feeling of peace, of tranquility, a place where I can clarify my thoughts and find a sanctuary. Taking time out to appreciate the present moment is so important. I think it was Leonardo da Vinci who once said that nature is the source of all true knowledge. Nature is the source of all true knowledge. And one thing's for sure is that when you spend time in nature, it really does bring a sense of peace, a sense of calm, a sense of tranquility. And I feel that the greatest knowledge that we can attain is self-knowledge, knowledge of ourselves, knowledge of our thoughts, our emotions, our feelings. You know, we live such busy lives. You know, our lives sometimes are chaotic. They're full of chaos and things to do lists and digital distraction. And when you just break away from all that and you come out in nature, you do gain a sense of perspective. First of all, there's the beauty of nature. There is the tranquility. It's a mindfulness practice that's so powerful. And you get to really reflect. And I think you get to process thoughts, feelings, emotions, and really understand yourself better. That self-knowledge. I think when we don't take time out to understand what's going on with us, when we don't really process our feelings, when we don't get time to reflect and slow down, I think that can cause a lot of problems for us in our life, because we're always on the go, we're always, you know, doing something or the other, and we have so many unprocessed thoughts, feelings, emotions, and it's just very, very therapeutic and very, very important for us to work through things. And the most powerful way you can do that, in my opinion, is to spend time in nature. And like the great poet Kalidas, he has implored us to really value each and every day, the present moment. And that's what nature does. It brings you into the present. Do you spend enough time in nature?